We want to express our gratitude to everyone who have joined us last night and taken time out of your hectic schedule. We are mindful that May is Haitian Heritage Month. We could not think of any better way to celebrate that occasion other than to showcase 11 historical Haitian-American women candidates. Our culture, our heritage is well represented here. Again, thank you so much and best of luck to each and every one of you impactful women. Now me blame you.
N'a dit chapeau bas pour 14 femmes haïtiennes américaines qui candidats dans Miami-Dade et Broward County. Nous connaissons que décision ça que nous prenons, il prend pile courage, comme dit mon dit, en pile femme nous et nous vraiment fiers de nous-mêmes et nous connaissons que si nous gain possibilité à n'a fait un bon travail. N'a dit merci à Senator Daphne Campbell qui a couru pour Florida State Senate District 35. Judge Phoebe François, qui a couru pour re-election dans Broward County Court Group 27. Sheila Shaffilis McCormick, qui a couru pour US Representative District 20. Marie Woodson, who is running for Florida State House District 101. Gypsy Metolis, who is running for Miami-Dade County Commission District 3. Representative Dottie Joseph running for re-election, Florida State House District 108. We have Narnika Grant running for Broward County School Board, seat 9. Stephanie Thomas, City of Miami Commission, District 5. Nadia Assad, Lauderdale Hill Commission, seat 3. Nancy Matea, Coral Springs Commissioner, seat 3. Last but not least, Kitley Joachim, running for North Miami Beach Commissioner, Group 3. Thank you so very much, ladies, for taking the time out to speak to us, to share with us, and to allow us to get to know you and connect with what it is that you want to do in the community. Si nous avons un conseil pour nous bailler tout candidat, nous avons dit nous, s'il possible, pour nous chercher une cause qui commun. Durant temps ça, c'est 14 dans nous-mêmes qui pour une seule fois. Je pense que si nous avons cherché une cause qui commun et nous avons bail cause ça une voix moins quoi que autorité, c'est possible que y attendez nous. Par exemple, si nous ouais durant la pandémie et le gouverneur a fait plusieurs press conferences. Pas une press conference yo côté li te gen yon translator et qui peut expliquer ça qui a passé et qui ça l'a dit en créole. Non seulement pas de jam gen yon translator, li pas de jam gen yon elected official qui haïtien américain durant press conference sa yo. Moi ouais ça c'est yon gross disrespect pour communauté haïtienne et spécialement l'elle t'a parlé de où li vle ouvrir Broward and Dade County. Durant moment ça, li te gen a representative from Broward County, li te gen representative from Hialeah, Doral, Kendall, et même representative from Dade County as well. Et puis, magistrat Dade County a li te well nécessaire pour lui-même by message liya en anglais, après ça pour le bal en espagnol. So côté nous-mêmes. La vraie et moun pas nous. Est-ce que nous pas tous doit joindre même information en même temps? So c'est comme ça moi ta vle ba nous. Anthony?
Yes, thank you so much, Ms. Blemire. Thank you to all the candidates who participated and those who watched the forum yesterday. My advice to all the participants is messages is important. Keep your message short and brief, and the first line of any message should include your name and the position you seek. At the very least, if the door is slammed in your face or someone hangs up on you, at least they have heard your name and the position you seek. Thank you so much for participating yesterday, and I'll pass it on to Sandra.
Hi again, everyone. My name is Sandra Saint-Hilaire. I want to thank everyone who supported, especially TELE PAM, Merci en pile pour tout le monde qui était branché hier pour support nous. And my advice to all the candidates that are running, that participated yesterday, is to listen to the constituents before you win and after you win. Because the only reason to be an elected official is that you're a public servant. And that is the only reason you should keep in mind going further. And now I want to pass to Dr. Pierre. Thank you.
Thank you to everyone on this panel, and thank you to all the ladies who participated yesterday. Thank you so very much to the Haitian-American women who thought of it important enough to join us yesterday and showcase yourselves and your agenda to the community. As a former candidate myself, I know it is not easy on this campaign journey. There are joyous moments, and there are moments when you feel like throwing in the towel. But know that this moment in time is not a mistake, and you are supposed to be here doing this at this very moment. My advice to all the candidates may seem cliche, but it is oh so necessary. Ladies, do not be intimidated on this journey. We know our strength as women. We've proven ourselves time and time again. We've made history. We lead the movements. We are the backbone. We build the foundation, and we get the job done. Let's go get them, ladies. Thank you. Attorney Seren?
Thank you, Dr. Pierre. I would take the occasion to suggest that you tailor your story in a short and sweet sentence, that you express your motivation and reason to serve in a catchy and inspiring way. Then you go about the detail to explain why, how you arrive to that destination. It's very important from the get-go. You tell people who you are, how you get there, the reason to go, you're going there in a very way that they can remember you. Thank you. Now, Naomi Blamir.
Guys, we cannot thank you enough for everyone that shared the live, for everyone that called someone, told them to come and watch, for everyone that commented, and for every single one person who shared criticism after, just to make this better next time. As a community, this is just the beginning. On behalf of myself, BL Consulting, Mr. Ronald Surin, Sandra Saint-Hilaire, Dr. Vanessa Pierre, and Anthony Bonanné, we just again want to thank you, and we ask for your continued support, and we look forward to connecting with you on our next forum. Good night.